मैं तो मतलब ऑनेस्टली बताऊं तो बिग बॉस एक गेम है, वहाँ आप भरोसा आप नहीं कर सकते किसी पर। मगर एक ऐसे इंसान थे जिसके साथ मेरा एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत बॉन्ड बना था, वो है हिंदुस्तानी भाऊ। सो मैं चाहूँगी कि मैं हिंदुस्तानी भाऊ के साथ यहाँ आऊँ।
कुछ मिस कर रहे हैं शिफाली? नाउ यू अवे फ्रॉम द हाउस, कुछ अच्छी मेमोरीज भी रही तो इट वाज
हाँ,
अ
मैं
गेम
बहुत मिस कर रही हूँ रोटी बनाना। मैं सुबह से लेकर रात तक खूब रोटियाँ बनाती थी, और जब से घर के बाहर निकली हूँ, अपने घर के किचन में मैंने एंटर बिल्कुल नहीं किया है। बट डेफिनेटली आई मिस मेकिंग रोटीज़, आई मिस हमारे लेट नाइट्स जो हमारी टॉक्स होती थी। बिग बॉस की आवाज़ को मैं बहुत ज़्यादा मिस कर रही हूँ। बिग बॉस चाहते हैं जो कहते थे वो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा मिस कर रही हूँ। आई डू मिस द बिग बॉस हाउस।
कभी कभी यू नो यू सिटिंग आइडल नाउ लगता है कि ओ माय गॉड, मुझे ये चीज़ मेरी लाइफ से थोड़ी मिस कर रही है, नॉट जस्ट विद द रूटीन थिंग्स।
डेफिनेटली, बट इट्स अ गेम। अब गेम खत्म हो चुका है, वी आर बैक टू रियलिटी। बट वी हैव कम हियर नाउ, वी आर कैरिंग गुड मेमोरीज। इतने अच्छे दोस्त बने हमारे घर के। अब तक मिलना हुआ नहीं है किसी को, मगर जब मिलेंगे वील एंजॉय, वील टॉक अबाउट द बिग बॉस हाउस। बट या, इट्स बिन अ फन जर्नी, इट वॉज अ लॉन्ग जर्नी, फन जर्नी, एंड आई एम हैप्पी, आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी इनसाइड एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी आउट नाउ.
Shari, what is people's response when you meeting, you getting mobbed? People are talking about, we
Yes,
loved your,
yes,
watching you
yes.
on Big Boss.
So I was apparently given a hashtag शेरनी. So मैं जहाँ पे भी जाती हूँ, people अभी भी मुझे याद करते हैं शेरनी ऑफ द हाउस. पीपल लाइक द वे आई प्ले. उनको बहुत अच्छा लगा था कि मैंने गालियाँ नहीं दी थी और बेफिजूल लड़ाइयाँ नहीं की थी, और अपने आप को एलिगेंट रखा था, डिग्निफाइड रखा था. मेरी जो दोस्ती थी आसिम के साथ, भाव के साथ, हिमांशी के साथ, उसको भी लोग बहुत याद करते हैं. और ओवरऑल दे लाइक द टास्क दैट आई परफॉर्म. जो फिज़िकल मैं काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग हूँ वैसे, और मैंने जो टास्क परफॉर्म किए थे, तो काफ़ी बार बहुत मज़ेदार इंसिडेंट्स हुए थे, तो लोग उसके बारे में भी बात करते हैं. सो इट्स प्रीटी इंटरेस्टिंग. इट्स गुड टू नो दैट पीपल एन्जॉयड मी इन बिग बॉस.
Shari, are you a foodie?
आई एम अ वेरी बिग फूडी. मुझे खाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. इनफैक्ट आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू ईटिंग सम फैंटास्टिक फूड हियर इन टनाटन. और हम राजस्थान में हैं, यहाँ का क्विजीन बहुत टेस्टी है. राजस्थानी फूड इज़ ऑल्सो माई फेवरेट, स्पेशली जो गट्टा कड़ी होती है. तो आज रात को माई डिनर इज़ गोइंग टू बी गट्टा कड़ी.
Absolutely. And wish you all the best, Shifali.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग मी. थैंक यू. ये जो पहले का कॉन्वर्सेशन है, just make sure it
That
doesn't go.
will continue.
तेरा कंट्रोल है ना, इसे बोले.
नहीं सो रहा था.
शिफाली, sorry, we're rolling.
Yeah.
शिफाली, आपकी बेस्टी आपके साथ है
Yes.
उदयपुर में. गेट अवे है, ऑफ कोर्स पराग इज आल्सो हियर. सो रौनक, सबसे पहले आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा शिफाली को बिग बॉस हाउस में देखते हुए, द एंटायर स्टिंट.
एक्चुअली शिफाली बिग बॉस हाउस में रह के बिग बॉस खेल रही थी, और मैं और पराग बाहर रह के बिग बॉस खेल रहे थे. वी एक्चुअली लिव्ड द जर्नी आउटसाइड द हाउस. हमारा यही डिस्कशन हो रहा था. एक्चुअली शिफाली के बाहर आने के बाद हमको मालूम पड़ा कि हमने कुछ ज़्यादा ही सीरियस ले लिया था, क्योंकि आई एम वेरी प्रोटेक्टेड अबाउट हर. और जब भी आसिम इसके ऊपर चिल्लाता था या कोई इसको कुछ बोलता था, तो मुझे बहुत मिर्ची लगती थी. एक्चुअली मैं लाल पीली हो जाती थी. तो फिर मुझे पराग समझाता था, शो है, मत इतना सीरियसली ले. तो एक्चुअली हमारा अपना बाहर भी बिग बॉस चल रहा था, एंड आई मिस्ड हर सो मच. Like, I really missed her so much, so I'm really glad that she's out now.
आई मिस माई बेस्टी सो मच इन द हाउस. मुझे लगता है मैंने इसको बोला भी कि अगर तू आ जाती ना वाइल्ड कार्ड में मेरे साथ, तो हम सारा घर सिर पे उठा लेते.
Yeah.
मजा, लाइक कोई खड़ा रहता, ट्रॉफी हम ही जीत के आते.
So yeah.
So रौनक, आपका भी गेट अवे विद योर फ्रेंड्स. You're here at Tanaton, Udaipur. Rami Royal आज डबल बैनी है. What would you like to say?
Tanaton, we both are like big fan of
Fans,
Tanaton. We always go to Bombay Tanaton whenever we get chance. That is our meeting point actually.
Yeah.
We always go there. We love the food there, Tanaton. I love Tanaton even in Dubai also. That is also our favorite place. We always go to Dubai, so we go there also. So I'm really happy that they are opening Tanaton here, and on that this resort is so amazing. It's like as she said, it's like a honeymoon place, and
yeah.
it's so romantic, it's so nice. The property is amazing. It's like a perfect holiday place.
You're a food enthusiast and a chef yourself. So which
She's a gold medalist chef from like Cordon Bleu, London.
Raunak, what is the recommendation one particular dish at Tanatan?
First thing first, appam.
Yes.
Appam people has to try here. Their appam is amazing. With that they have this anda curry, we say.
That's our favorite.
That's our favorite dish. We always eat that whenever we come here. Otherwise, all the
But I
dishes
think
are really
we
good.
are always very confused कि क्या order
Yeah,
करें. सारी
yeah,
चीजें इतनी
it's
अच्छी हैं.
so
And I think
nice.
even the presentation is so interesting
Yes,
here.
yes, yes.
मतलब इंसान खाने के पहले आँखों से खाता है.
Yeah,
So it's a
so-
feast for our eyes.
Yes.
And then feast for our tummies.
Yeah, but people should definitely come and try the
Yeah.
appam and anda curry. That is our favorite. We always order that.
So आप दोनों अब तीनों के क्या plans हैं? उदयपुर explore कर रहे हैं, travel कर रहे हैं. What are the plans now? Since you're here for a holiday.
So Parag is leaving tomorrow because he has his shoot commitment. So after that, me and Shefali, we are going to be here. So of course we are going to go and look around.
Yeah, it's a
the
lake city,
Yes, it's a
so we
lake
should
city.
go and
So we are going to go and
We'll
look
do some
around.
shopping also.
Yes, we are going to do that also. Some shopping and we are going to check some palaces also. They have some
Yeah,
palaces.
yeah. We'll go.
So
Spa,
yeah,
यहाँ पे spas.
Yes, yes.
पराग, शेफाली की जर्नी रही. हमारी आपसे मुलाकात हुई थी बीच में. You were really upset, I remember. So what would you like to say? Life is out and show a sigh of relief कि अब आप ज़्यादा time spend कर सकते हैं and you don't have to go through the emotional turmoil जो आप last time जब हम आपसे मिले थे तब था. तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
ये सबसे पहले तो जर्नी बहुत ही अच्छी रही परी की। जैसा अभी रौनक ने बोला कि जितना बिग बॉस वो अंदर खेल रही थी उससे ज़्यादा हम लोग बाहर खेल रहे थे। और सबसे जो इमोशनल टर्मोइल जो है ना, सबसे बड़े मुझे जो फील होता था, आई यूज्ड टू फील हेल्पलेस, क्योंकि मैं कभी लाइफ में परी को ऐसे अकेला नहीं छोड़ा है। वो किसी भी परेशानी में हो तो मुझे लगता है कि मैं वहाँ होना चाहिए, मुझे वहाँ होना चाहिए। तो इसीलिए कहीं ना कहीं बहुत ज़्यादा परेशानी होती थी मुझे। और लेकिन जिस हिसाब से, जिस तरीके से इन्होंने वहाँ पर अपने आप को कंडक्ट किया है, जिस हिसाब से प्रेजेंट किया है, आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ हर। और गर्ल्स हमारे इंडिया में जो है ना, उनको देखना चाहिए, सीखना चाहिए इन चीज़ों से। आपको अपनी ओपिनियन रखनी चाहिए, वॉइस रखनी चाहिए, एंड आई थिंक शी इज़ द परफेक्ट एग्जाम्पल फॉर इट।
आसिम का एक वीडियो जो इसके बारे में हम आपसे पूछना चाहते हैं, फिर आगे की कहानी क्या है?
बिग बॉस चाहते हैं कि उनको यहाँ बुलाया जाए। नहीं, आसिम का ऑफ कोर्स मैंने एक बहुत अच्छा जेस्चर दिया था आसिम को। जब घर में गया था तो उनको एक बहुत बड़ी न्यूज़ दी थी, जो आई थिंक उनकी लाइफ की सबसे बड़ी न्यूज़ थी। उन्होंने उसको भी दरकिनार करते हुए कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी अंदर घर के अंदर बोली, मुझे भी और मेरी वाइफ को भी। तो डेफिनेटली मैं उस इमोशन को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाया, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि जब मैं ऑलिव ब्रांड, जब आपकी तरफ दोस्ती का हाथ बढ़ा रहा हूँ और आप कहीं ना कहीं, और मैं स्पेशली बोल के भी आया था, अगर आपको ये मैसेज आप मैटर करता है तो आप आगे परेशान नहीं करेंगे शेफाली को। बट आई थिंक वो मैटर करता था, करता नहीं है, वो गॉड नोज, वो खुद जानते हैं। लेकिन हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स उसके आगे की कहानी ये है कि अभी तक मुलाकात हुई नहीं है। मुलाकात होगी तो सबको पता चल जाएगा क्या कहानी थी।
क्या कहना चाहेंगे? रामी रॉयल इज लॉन्चिंग हियर टुडे एंड टनाटन का
सब बहुत शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूँगा रामी रॉयल को। उदयपुर एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सिटी है, यहाँ पर इतना अच्छा रिसोर्ट बनाया है, बहुत बड़ा रिसोर्ट है, इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल। और अच्छा है कि हम दोनों साथ में आए, इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ अगेन हनीमून, ब्रेक भी नीडेड। तो हम लोग साथ में आए, बहुत ही अच्छा रहा। और टनाटन का खाना तो पूरी, अभी जितना मैं बॉम्बे जानते हैं, दुबई जानती है, और अभी आउटस्टैंडिंग फूड, और अभी उदयपुर क्यों पीछे रहे उस टेस्ट को चखने में, मिस करें। तो ज़रूर मैं बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूँ रामी ग्रुप को और रामी रॉयल रिसोर्ट और टनाटन के लिए।
और आपका एक रिकमेंडेशन जो आपका फेवरेट डिश हो?
यार मेरा अप्पम और ऑफ कोर्स एग करी।
यही खाते हैं हमेशा। इट्स अ फिक्स्ड ऑर्डर एवरी टाइम।
एक ग्रिल चिकन है, कबाब है, एक वो कौन सा वो देसी घी में बनता है ना, वो घी रोस्ट चिकन।
बाकी सब मुंबई में मिलेगा।
आज
यहाँ वेजिटेरियन
ओ यहाँ वेजिटेरियन है,
Not
सॉरी।
even anda curry. Let's change that.
So let's change that.
Vegetables too.
पनीर
Vegetables too with appam.
विद अप्पम।
पहले बोले थे,
पनीर।
मैं उसका पीछे बता रही हूँ, चिकन बोल, मटन बोल।
दादर, दुबई,
मुंबई, दादर, दुबई।
इंदौर we are coming up with
Oh wow.
So there we can go.
अरे पराग गया ही नहीं आज तक
In
टनाटन में,
veg
इसको
also-
मालूम ही नहीं है।
In veg also we have created so many things. आपको
So
veg
you
अंडा
just
खिलाते
tell
हैं।
no 2-3
वेज
अच्छा,
अंडा, तो वेज अंडा खाइए जरूर।
वेज
वहाँ
अंडा
पे।
खिलाएंगे हम।
वहाँ
आज
पे
वेज अंडा खाएंगे।
वेज अंडा, मैंने सुना दही के भी कुछ बनते हैं,
चीला का बनाएंगे हम।
चीला।
Wow, that's something like
मेरे
samosa.
अरे
मुंह
वाह,
में भी
चीला का
waterfall
अब
हो
भी।
रहा है।
अभी बहुत भूख लगी है। और
कैमरा ऑफ किया मैंने।
आपने भी अंडा वंडा बोला था
Wait, we'll change.
वो चेंज कर लेते हैं. हाँ जी.
So favorite आपका डिश और जो आप रेकमेंड करना
यहाँ पर ऑफ कोर्स अपम और यहाँ पर वेज अंडा बनता है बहुत अच्छा, और वो चीले का ऑमलेट बना के खिलाते हैं.
शेफाली ने बताया जो उनका फेवरेट
हाँ वो
उनका
मेरा फेवरेट है. मेरा
बिल्कुल.
वेज स्टू भी बहुत फेवरेट है हमारा.
Yeah, we actually normally we eat that only.
और डेजर्ट्स भी.
Desserts are amazing.
It's amazing.
People should, yeah, mocktails they have there. It's really nice. So people should try the dessert. It's really good.
एंड प्रेजेंटेशन बहुत खूबसूरत होती है टनाटन की हमेशा. सो मैं पहले अपने आँखों से फीस्ट करती हूँ, फिर मेरा पेट फीस्ट करता है. सो इंटरेस्टिंग प्रेजेंटेशन मुझे वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है एक्चुअली. सो या दे आर रियली गुड. द फूड इज़ ग्रेट, द प्रेजेंटेशन इज़ ग्रेट. एम्बियंस कितना खूबसूरत होता है. इंटीरियर भी पूरा बहुत ही फंकी होता है.
और सबसे अच्छा उनका जो लाइव बैंड होता है. Every day they have a
Yeah,
different band,
different
which is
bands,
like a plus point
हाँ.
of the whole place. Like they have amazing band and amazing new talents they have every day. So that is my favorite part. We always enjoy
It's
the
very
music.
very nice coming to Tanatan. You know, you can unwind and eat good food, enjoy good music. मजा आता है.
Yeah. So one more
Feather in the hat.
Feather.
yes in the hat.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
एक वापस से नीचे जो रीड हो गया
हाँ.
हाँ. Pictures.
Bangpur and the launch. With the second phase, we'll be covering another 68 rooms with our Adda into it, which will be another couple of months back from now. And yeah, it's a proud moment for us.
So Udaipur being the wedding destination.
Yes.
So Rami is exploring.
We are exploring Parul, we are exploring everything. Within hospitality, yes. We are not leaving anything uncovered. I mean, as in FMB, you have seen the signature outlets, and it's a part of, because of doing so very good in FMB. I mean, we are heading to banquets and weddings and destination weddings, so on and so forth.
Rami is expanding worldwide. I would not say domestic now. You're here in Udaipur with a dual celebration today with the launch of Rami Royal and Tanatan in Udaipur. What do you have to say?
Extremely proud of my team with hard work of Nihit and the rest of my corporate team here, and especially Amit. Like, hopefully in the coming years to come, we have more Ramis in all over India, more Tanatans. And yeah, this is just the beginning.
So what's that one, everybody has a success story, everybody has certain ideologies with their work on. What do you believe?
Success stories for me. I mean, at the moment, if I'm being frank, I'm still trying to learn from the footsteps of my dad. So right now, I just follow his guideline because I still have a lot of things to learn. So for now, it's just learn from the ropes, and maybe in the future, when he passes the baton, we'll see what happens from there.
What is the USP of Rami Royal and Tanatan?
Rami Royal, we have one in Dubai. We have 4 and 5 star level property in Royal. So with the luxury and with the size of the property and being in a place called Udaipur as a city, we have lived up to giving up the feel, look, a royal feel and look. Though the property you could see it's made in a Greek style this time. So most of the thing you can take it from a Greek look of the property, because you've seen a lot of the forts and palaces. I mean, what they're converted into hotels. So we're trying to, give a different feel. So that's why we gave this brand royal to this property.
So it's on the national highway. I mean,
But we are very close to the city, see, Parul. Okay, airport, it's very far from the Udaipur. But from here to Pichola Lake, we are only 10 kilometers.
yeah, so I was coming to that. So it's an ideal location, being in Udaipur, especially for weddings and conferences, and
And we're very near to the Gujarat market, because lot many are regulars. They are from Ahmedabad, who know Tanatan, who know Aradda, who know about us, who know about Rami. We have a good market from Ahmedabad who travels to Dubai. So we have the fan following base from that market as well.
I would like to ask both of you, how does it feel to get calls from all over that we won, we won the properties, verticals of Rami Group coming to their city? Need from you first.
We are looking forward to have. And our expansion goals is like we are looking for pan-India properties. So very soon you'll be seeing your Indore flagging up, Surat flagging up, couple of more flagging up. You'll see very soon.
What do you have to say?
It's extremely exciting, like to see the possibilities that can take place and fulfill the vision of like Rami Group maybe becoming like a pan-India brand in itself. So really looking forward to the future.
Talking about Tanatan, Aneet, what is that? Obviously, it's vegetarian here. So do you think? Being the market is purely based food.
See, there's a huge part of fan following is turning to a veg. People are very conscious towards their health. But we also have done our homework well. So you'll see a varieties of vegetables, vegetarian dishes are there inside in the menu. So which will definitely, won't spoil your mood of non-ordering, non-veg.
We have live band here. The concept and culture of Mumbai Tanatan, which is moved here. What has the response been so far?
Day one, people excited. See the crowd there. There are 250 people waiting. So yes, we are back on track with all those bands, celebs, reality shows, boys, new talents. We'll be introducing them here as well in this market.
Thank you so much, and wish the team entire.
Thank you, Parul. Thank you. Bye.
हाय, हाउ आर यू? सब हॉलीडे करने आ गए इधर.
Silence, please. Brinda, so you're here in Udaipur for Tanatan launch and Rami Royal. It's a dual celebration today, double whammy here. So what do you have to say?
I'm really excited to be here. This property is fabulous. Udaipur has always been very close to my heart. So having a lot of friends here and everything, I'm really excited to be a part of this event. And Rami has always been a family. So being a part of all their events always gives us a different thrill, and it's good to see that Rami and Tanatan and all the other places which Rami are opening, they are just growing and growing. I wish them all the very best.
You've been regular at Mumbai, Tanatan, and now Udaipur. So what is your favorite pick? What would you recommend?
I think I would not choose, because very few places in Mumbai have good Indian food, and Tanatan is one of the places I really love and enjoy the food, especially the kebabs and all. I love the food there.
Or Udaipur, Brinda, what would you like to say? It's a city of lakes, and you're here. It's also a small getaway for you. What would you like to say?
It's like a vacation. We are here to enjoy the property and enjoy the place. So I think it's a good thing, and the weather is really nice in Udaipur right now. Just feeling awesome here. So pretty excited to just go inside and check out the new Tanatan here.
So how do you find the property with that based on you just told us about bank? So what would you like to say about that?
It's really, really beautiful. They have given a very, I think, greasy look to it. It looks like you're in Greece and you're not in India. So it's looking fabulous. Thank you so much. You're always behind the scenes.
So कम ना आप खड़े हो जाइए ना
Ashish, so you're here in wonderful city of lakes. Udaipur.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. It's so wonderful to be here, in particular in support of Rami Tanatan. And what is even more fabulous is that I love the fact that we're on a hill, and it's a really unique property. I've experienced some wonderful properties here, but I think this property has something so unique in terms of its food and its location, and in terms of the people who are actually managing it. I think Udaipur is going to get a very big boost through this property.
So you've been regular at Mumbai Tanatan, and that's
Ji.
supposedly your best.
Yes, so whenever we are we want to dine out, or we want to step out with friends, and especially in our fraternity, the film industry, I think the Juhu Tanatan and the Dadar Tanatan are our go-to places, and the grub is really good, and we feel really welcome there. The ambience, the music, they give opportunities to artists, bands to perform, and I think it's a great vibe, to just go out there with your friends, your family, your loved ones, and enjoy yourself.
In vegetarian, what is your recommendation to people out there?
मुझे उनका पनीर बहुत पसंद है, और मुझे उनके मशरूम्स बहुत पसंद हैं, और एक वो कुछ कमल के फूल का उसकी डंठल का कुछ बनाते हैं, तो वो बहुत ही औंधा है.
Thank you. शुभारंभ का शूट से ब्रेक लेकर आए
Yes.
here for the launch of Rami Royal and Tanatan Udaipur. What would you like to say?
I'm here for a very dear friend, Sanaya, who's the food consultant over here. And I've also been to the Tanatan in Mumbai, which is in South Mumbai, and I really enjoyed it when I went there. And I'm really looking forward to the food over here, because यहाँ मुझे पता चला है कि राजस्थानी फूड का भी कुछ फ्यूजन है. So सारे सब should I continue? So yeah. So the concept over here is of modern Indian food, और मुझे पता चला है कि यहाँ पे कुछ राजस्थानी स्टाइल जो डिशेस होती है उसको बहुत अच्छे से फ्यूज़ करके there are some exciting vegetarian dishes, and I'm really looking forward to them. And of course there's live music.
So आपका recommendation क्या है? What is your favorite?
I think पनीर से रिलेटेड जो भी डिशेस मैंने ट्राई की थी मुंबई में, मुझे सारी पसंद आई थी, एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द राजस्थानी कढ़ी over here. Thank you.
No.
So the team is right here behind the success story of Tanatan. I mean, what's special in Udaipur?
This is our
Which we can't
sixth.
find in other towns.
This is going to be a pure veg Tanatan. Then pure veg. First time we did it, when boss Raj Shetty is also behind, do one something in veg Tanatan, and finally we got it done, one veg Tanatan, and the menu here is little different than the what we have other Tanatan, like especially the starter section, the main section, because we need to cut off the non-veg, so we need to add some good vegetarian section. So please, guys.
So we've been actually quite, I'd use the word innovative with the menu, because with vegetarian and increasing the menu, like he said, we had to remove the non-vegetarian and add a lot of vegetarian. So we had to be extremely creative, and it sort of ran our minds really well. So I think it was a great exercise, but I think we're very thrilled with the menu now. A couple of things that I think I personally am a very hardcore non-vegetarian, but I would also like to eat here because the vegetarian is so good. If I may say that myself, is the aloo-e-khas, the paneer lahori, sirka-e-pyaz, things like that. They are must tries, and of course our patent dal bukhara is totally there.
And a lot of Jain options, because
Yes, of course.
this city, yeah, it's a vegetarian place and a lot of Jain people, so we added a lot of Jain options.
Yes,
Yes.
it is going to be part of Rami Royal, and we've also incorporated a bit of the local culture, local cuisine dishes. And as she was saying, some of the dishes that we've come up with, we've added our touch. Like you have the Jodhpuri Kabuli pulao, you have the Gatte ka sabzi, you have the kher sangri. So you have all of this.
Save
infused-
tomato, can't
Save-
forget that.
Yeah, save tomato. And so it's almost around 180 items we have on the menu, vegetarian, starting from different kinds of salads to soups to starters to main course to some interesting desserts also. So please come, enjoy this scrumptious royal treat, and we welcome you all to Tanatan Udaipur.
So putting this together was efforts for how long? The menu is not a
Right.
Almost we took 1 month
Almost.
to just to plan a menu, and adding like something like local items as well, because this is on the highway, so like we don't want to miss it, what Rajasthan is famous for. So that's why we added this kher sangvi, then we have this tomato save saag, then we have gatte ka saag and all that stuff, because people travel from Gujarat, people travel from north, and if they stand by, first they go to the restaurant, they'll say, "Hey, what is the local stuff what we have?" So this is what we added from this, and this is a great learning for us, and we are going to implement this same kind of vegetarian options in other Tanatans also. Yeah,
Yes, we are.
other Tanatan, because
Will totally. Also, catering to different palates, like he mentioned, it's on the highway. So you have like a Gujarat and a Rajasthan both. So catering to different palates was the crux of it, and I think hopefully we have achieved that.
any recommendations for special mocktails which I choose for
try for Pan Kishan, which we have a cocktail in Bombay. People prefer that with the alcohol, but here belongs to many Jain people and vegetarian people, so they don't have more of a alcohol. I haven't seen anybody drinking over here, but yeah, for them we have made it alcohol version into a non-alcoholic, like Pan Kishan, which is a speciality of Tanatan.
See, there is City of Lakes, obviously, but this is a beautiful, this range, the Aravalli range is a whole different take on Udaipur. So if you see the City of Lake, you must come and see the Aravalli range, and I think no better place to showcase it than Rami Royal, and no better place to eat than
Tanatan. Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you. Very soon we are coming up in Lucknow now. Again, a food place. There we are going to
So that is
experience
Nawabon ki Shaan.
yes. So we are going to have,
That's going to be a lot of variety of.
and that belongs to our friend from Lucknow. So we need to put lot of efforts, and it's a food city. Yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Super.
see you all soon.
Thank
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
So congratulations, the place looks wonderful.
Thank
So
you.
what's gone and what's the concept of the property?
We have made this resort on a huge property. One can see there's so much open area across. And as an architect, I can say that we have sort of married the mountains and the lakes of Udaipur in here. and you could find almost everything in this property, ranging from an exceptional lobby, a great banquet space. We have organic cottages, we have an amazing spa, and the pool is boasting like to be the biggest in town. And everything, you'll find everything for everyone in the place. And personally, I'm very, very thankful for the amazing client, because it is not easy to have amazing client, amazing design, and amazing money as well. I'm seriously a very, very lucky person to have all these. My team has worked wonders. He is one brilliant man, and 1,000 thanks to him, I can say that.
एफर्ट मैडम की तरफ से ज़्यादा था, मतलब मैं तो ठीक है, जैसे जैसे मैडम गाइडेंस होती गई वैसे वैसे हमने इसको बिल्डअप कर लिया.
I was more of a pusher, but it's okay. I'm
टीम
like that.
टीम अच्छी मिली हमको, इतने लोग थे साथ साथ में. आपके पीछे की जो भी बैक टीम, जैसे हेमेंद्र हो गए, मंजीत हो गए, इन सब के सपोर्ट से हो गया काम.
And we all are very happy, overwhelmed, and we expect it to work wonders. Thank you so much, and off to Nihit. Now everything is in your hands. Thank you. सब लोग ज़्यादा खुश मत होना.
What a